Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absolutism. 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 Absolutism is a noun used to describe a political or philosophical doctrine that advocates for absolute and centralized authority, often with little or no checks and balances. It is associated with the concentration of power in a single ruler or authority figure. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The country's transition from absolutism to democracy marked a significant shift in its political landscape. Why absolutism use in example number 1? Here, absolutism is used to describe the transition from a system of centralized authority to a more democratic one. Example number 2. The Enlightenment era sparked debates about the merits of absolutism versus constitutional government. Why absolutism use in example number 2? Absolutism is mentioned to highlight its contrast with constitutional government in philosophical discussions. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.